guys. And now, if you guys like Shopkins, just remind me. Sorry if I'm making your life a piece of crap. Well, if you like Shopkins, look! I got this for you. Hey, come on. Hey, can I buy... Hey, can you see I'm in the middle of something here? I'm not about to have an argument, but I want a cupcake. No! No, you can get a cupcake later, after I'm finished with this video. Video? Where's the camera? Shut! Don't, shh. I know what to do. Now just leave, or you're dead. Okay, fine. Jeez, I don't want to die. Don't mind her, guys. Just like any... Oh. Why? Oh, no. Oh. My stand. Where's that hole? Oh. There it is. Oh. I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna be late for my manager. Oh, just hold on, guys. Sorry, I had to leave the camera blank for a minute. But anyway, here you go, guys. Look. Here's my sweet treat display case. Look, we've got Patty Pam. Hey, you take me out, and we got Mr. Muffin. Hi, leave me alone. And then we got Melton Muffin. Shut up, you. Don't mind what they're saying. We also got a Swiss roll. And last but not least, we got a cake pop. That's their name. Swiss roll and cake pop. Now look at these sweet treats. Nope. I'm not trusting her. I'm going back in. No, you don't. You're gonna stay here until my video is done. What were we doing again? Yeah. What were we doing again? I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm going back in here. Yeah, me too. This video is boring. But I thought you guys would like the video. Oh, we hate it as much as we hate you. I just can't take her anymore. Whoa! Hey, have you seen my rope? Yeah, we're playing tug of war. Yeah. I don't... Oh, crap! I'm losing my frosting! You're not losing your frosting, you... You're not losing your frosting, you idiot. Yeah, I am. With a big jumbo cherry on top. Shut up, you. You don't know what you're saying. Just go away. You're ruining my life. Okay, fine. Ah! Stop! That's it. I can't live with you anymore.